If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make some shrimp pasta. Stay tuned. First, we're gonna get ready our garlic. Look at that. I did it so fast. After that, we're gonna have to wash the shrimp. Then I'm going to get ready the wok. I'm using this. I sauteed the onion. I forgot to show you how to cut the onion. I guess you know how to do that already. And then I add the cherry tomato. And then after that, I put the sauce. The sauce is ready, so anyway, any pasta sauce it will do. So it'll take me a while to remove the skin of the shrimp, but I put a lot of them in there. So as you can see, I'm still getting it ready for you guys so you can see it, and we can add it in there. So while I'm doing that, I am grating some cheese. Okay, let's mix them together again. Okay, since the pasta is already cooked, I'm going to add some oil. I put a little bit of olive oil so they don't stick together. Just like that. But it's not thicker yet, so we're still gonna have to boil it a little bit. I don't know why I did a slow motion on this, but look at that, so slow. It's finally ready. Look at that. I put it on the plate. Looks really good. See that? It's really yummy. I put a garnish of the green onion in there. Look at that. Would you like some? If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.